Hello everyone, this is Teja. Now I am going to explain about the concept of functional dependency. The functional dependency is a relationship that exists between two attributes. It is typically exists between primary key and non-key attribute within a table. Functional dependency is represented as X implies Y. Here X is the determinant and Y is the dependent. The left side of functional dependency is known as determinant and the right side of the production is known as dependent. Let us consider an example. Assume we have an employee table with attributes employee ID, employee name, employee address. Here employee ID attribute can uniquely identify the employee name attribute of the employee table, because if we know the employee ID, we can tell the employee's name associated with it. Functional dependency can written as employee ID implies employee name. We can say that employee name is functionally dependent on employee ID. Next, types of functional dependency. Functional dependency are two types: trivial functional dependency and non-trivial functional dependency. Let me see more detail about what is trivial function dependency and non-trivial functional dependency. First one, trivial function dependency. A implies B has trivial function dependency if B is a subset of A. Here in trivial functional dependency, B is always a subset of A. The following dependencies are also trivial, like A implies A and B implies B. That means A is subset of A and B is subset of B. Let us consider an example. Consider a table with two columns, employee ID and employee name. Employee ID, employee name implies employee ID is a trivial functional dependency, as employee ID is a subset of employee ID, employee name. Also, employee ID implies employee ID and employee name implies employee name, or trivial functional dependencies too. Next, come to non-trivial functional dependency. A implies B has a non-trivial functional dependency if B is not a subset of A. That means in non-trivial functional dependency, B is not a subset of A. When A intersection B is null, then A implies B is called complete non-trivial functional dependency. That means when A is intersection to B, that is equals to null, then A implies B is called non-trivial functional dependency. Example, ID implies name, name implies date of birth. These functional dependencies are mostly used in finding of second normal form. In second normal form, all non-key prime attributes are fully functional dependent on primary key. So we find this functional dependency concept. Thank you.